As you know, I removed the old Rome tent. Now time to put on the Alpha 2. Let's do a little unboxing and see if we can get this on there today. There it is. Looks fantastic. Directions, we'll set those aside for now. It's like a little tool bag, struts, strut stabilizers, repair kit, electrical plugs for the lights, bolts, end caps, keys. Not sure what this is. Didn't know it came with a lock, but that's pretty cool. And then the mounting bracket. Only thing I didn't know is if this was going to actually fit. Let's see. Yep. That'll work perfect. And nice enough to send a wrench. With the help of my wife and daughter, got this up here. Now it's time to connect it all. Here goes the moment of truth. Let's put this up. Hey everybody, got it all set up. Let's do a quick walk around. There you go. Had to make sure wouldn't hit this. So it's a little bit pushed over to the passenger side, but that fits. I'm going to try and see if I can get my awning on back here. If I do, I probably won't be able to put this up. And with the back here, these won't go up either, but I couldn't put them up on my old one either. Take a look inside. Not as spacious as the Rome, but still plenty of room for me and the wife and the dog. I love the lights. It's got lights underneath as well. A lot of storage. We'll have to see if I can close it up with my bedding inside. That's the big question. It's got the LED lighting down here, which you can switch to amber and brighten or dim and multi-colored. Little storage bag here, boot bag there. Let's see if we can close this thing up. After getting my new Alpha II rooftop tent installed, it was time to take it out. It's late Saturday afternoon, heading up into the San Bernardino National Forest towards Thomas Mountain up by Idlewild just for a quick overnight so I can give a shakedown of my new Alpha II rooftop tent. Excited to give this a try tonight. Looking like it's going to be probably low 30s, high 20s tonight. We'll see how it goes. Made it to Mountain Center. About another 45 minutes, I think. But then we got to find a camp spot. Hoping to do that before it's completely dark. Made it to the dirt. Just airing down real quick. Heading right up there. Well, actually, more up there. I love these. These work great. Put them on all 4 tires and just let it go. About 3 minutes later, you're all set. Just finished airing down. It's now 4:25. As you can see, that sun is disappearing quickly. Now let's find a camp, set up this new Alpha II. Got a gorgeous sunset out there. Absolutely beautiful up here. Temperatures dropped, already down to 52 degrees. Keep your eyes open for that perfect spot. This looks pretty good back here. Gotta check out this sunset though. Wow, hope you can see that through the trees there. Gorgeous. It's getting dark quickly. Let's see how fast we can set this thing up. That's it. It's set up. I'm very happy with that. It was much faster than my Roam. I love my Roam tent, but the soft-sided tent with the cover, just so much longer to set up. I love the extras on here, such as the lighting that's in there. Let me give me a quick peek inside. Okay, it's got the bags, as you can see. Boot bag over here. The lights under there. Love that. Go from amber to white or a combination. Take a look in here. Bought this 240, Jackery 240. Got that on sale this week for 150 bucks. I love that. To run these lights, and then I'm gonna try out an electric blanket. The other thing I love is I'm able to keep my bedding in here. Just pull this out. There it is. Bed is made. You see the storage back there. Storage pockets on the side. And of course the light up there. I am loving this. Before I get started on dinner, let's make a drink. I think we'll try a little martini. I know one of my favorite drinks out here when I'm camping, but especially with the steak, just hits the spot. garnish it with a twist of lemon. Very nice. Now let's get some dinner going. Okay, let's see how this thing's doing. Oh yeah. I think that's looking good. Certainly smells good. Wow. I think that's perfect. Look. Oh boy, almost lost it. There we go. 130. Oh, 135. Perfect. Looks like it's time to eat. Let's cut into this thing, see if it tastes as good as it looks. Oh wow, I think that's perfect. Wow. See how the vegetables are. Little bacon wrapped asparagus. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know it's one of my favorites. Perfect. So dinner was fantastic. I think I'm going to just sit here by the fire, relax a little bit, and enjoy the night. We'll catch up with you guys in a bit. All right, everybody. Inside the tent, got my electric blanket hooked up, my jackery. It's working great, nice and warm. Looking forward to a good night's sleep. We'll catch you guys in the morning. Morning, everybody. Had a great night last night. Didn't get down much past probably 40 degrees, so it wasn't actually too cold. But I had my electric blanket in there with the jackery 240. That worked great. My new Alpha 2 worked fantastic. Really enjoyed that. And so now let's get some breakfast going. Got water boiling for some coffee here. Going with the Catskill Mountain. And then I got some sausage, hash browns, English muffins, and eggs. Let's go. Let's give this coffee a try. Oh, perfect. Wow. Drinking Keurig all week. Gotta have this coffee out here on the weekend. Beautiful. Wonderful. Sausage is browning up here. Put the hash browns in just a minute. This is the first orange of the season off my tree in my backyard. Let's see how it tastes. Fantastic. Okay, don't give me a hassle, but I do the fake eggs because it's much easier. Don't have to worry about eggshells cracking anything. Fits great in the cooler. We're ready. As always, I made way too much. Let's eat. That was pretty close to a perfect breakfast as you can get. Obviously, being out here in God's incredible creation is what makes it. So just sit and relax a little bit and then start packing up. And then to time how long it takes me to put away that Alpha II. It's the whole reason I purchased this tent. I loved my roam. It was great. But it just took a long time to set up and tear down by yourself with the cover and all that. So goal is to increase the speed in which I can set up camp and break down camp. So we'll time it and we'll see how it goes. It's time to take down this tent. Let's see how it goes. So there it is. It was pretty quick. Obviously, as I do it more, I think it'll get a little quicker as I figure out how things go.
Time won't stop, so gonna get on the ride, twisting and turning through life. No matter how rough it gets, I'll get by. Home moves with me where I roam. It's in every dream.
It's been an awesome trip. Don't forget to like and subscribe. 2 thumbs up for the Alpha II. Really enjoyed it. Think I'm gonna like it a lot. Mattress is a little firm. I'm gonna see if I can put a topper on there. But other than that, perfect. I love the ease of setup. So it was a good shakedown trip. Looking forward to getting back out there again. See you guys later.